Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Understand that cashback rewards on Apple Pay work differently than traditional credit cards. Most cashback comes from your underlying card issuer, not Apple Pay itself. You need to check if your specific card offers cashback rewards when used with Apple Pay. Step 2. Choose the right credit or debit card that offers cashback benefits. Look for cards that give you 2 to 5% cashback on all purchases or specific categories like groceries, gas, or dining. Make sure the card is compatible with Apple Pay and the cashback applies to contactless payments. Step 3. Add your eligible card to Apple Wallet by opening the Wallet app, tapping the plus icon, and following the prompts to verify your card details with your bank. Step 4. Activate any cashback offers specific to Apple Pay. Some card issuers and retailers have special promotions where you unlock extra cashback when paying through Apple Pay. Check your card's mobile app or website for these limited-time offers. Step 5. Maximize your earnings by using Apple Pay at merchants that align with your card's cashback categories. Track your rewards through your card issuer's app to monitor how much you're earning. Remember, the key is pairing Apple Pay with a card that already rewards you generously.